Your health is dangerous if you are the person who keeps eggs in the fridge. If you reside in the United States, you probably keep the eggs in the refrigerator. There is much controversy over the storage of eggs in the refrigerator to avoid salmonella poisoning. And many say that American eggs are particularly susceptible to these bacteria because of the way chickens are raised, and the eggs are cleaned and washed. In much of Europe, for example, eggs are often stored just above the counter, at room temperature. Marketing regulations in Europe argue that storing the eggs in the cold and then leaving them outside at room temperature could lead to condensation, which could promote the growth of bacteria in the shell that could probably get in the egg as well. So, despite what you may have heard, eggs are fresh and have an intact cuticle do not need to be refrigerated, as long as they are to be consumed within a relatively short period of time. Most grocery stores in the United States should not leave the eggs out of the refrigerator because they have had their cuticles essentially washed. If the eggs are fresh from the organic farm, with intact cuticles, and are consumed within a couple of days, you can simply leave them on the counter or in a cool place. When it comes to minimizing salmonella infections, American producers focus on egg shells, which could be tarnished with organic matter, such as chicken feces. The USDA requires producers to rinse, dry and haze hazy eggs before shipping them. Europeans, on the other hand, focus on the inhibition of salmonella infections in hens themselves. If an egg is infected with salmonella, the bacteria multiply more rapidly if the egg is stored at room temperature rather than in the refrigerator, especially if stored for more than 21 days. For this reason, in the United States, public health agencies advise keeping eggs in the refrigerator. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.